So now we will work on an exercise on arrays and set in JavaScript. So guys, basically you can follow below steps in order to complete this exercise. So you can pause this video and practice on your own to complete all these tasks in order to complete this exercise. So guys, first of all, let us create an array with the 5 numbers having at least one duplicate number over here. So let us move to VS Code in this case, and let me just create a new file. So we have this exercise.js file over here. So guys, simply what we want to do is we are going to create an array. So we have the array object over here, and let us say we have 5 numbers, that is 11, 12, 13, 14, and guys, at least one number must be duplicate number. So let us say we define the 11 number once again over here. So we have 4 different numbers, that is 11, 12, 13 and 14, and the 5th number is a duplicate number, that is 11, occurring once again. Now guys, what we want to do is simply we can use the forEach loop on the array and display the elements by adding 10 in all the elements. So we have to use the forEach method in order to display all these elements, but we want to add 10 to all these numbers over here while displaying them. So guys, what we will do is, let me just clear the terminal first of all, and now we will use this array object over here followed by the dot character, and then we have the forEach method. Now guys, this forEach method will help us in order to iterate through all the elements of this particular array. So simply we are going to use the arrow function over here. So we have the open and close parenthesis, and let us say we provide the parameter that is item over here. So guys, simply every element, that is the first element, will be provided to this particular item variable, then the second element will also be provided to this item variable, and we can use this item in order to complete our task. So we have to use the combination of the special characters, that is equal to and the greater than symbol, which will define the arrow function. And then guys, what we want to do is simply we want to add 10 to all these elements while displaying them. So let me just provide the console.log statement over here, and simply if we provide the item over here, what will happen is all these elements of the arrays will be displayed. So let us check that as well. When we save this file now and try running this code over here on the terminal, we use the node command followed by the name of the JavaScript file over here. So as you can see, we are getting all the elements of this particular array this time, 11, 12, 13, 14, and then 11 once again. But guys, we want to add 10 to all these elements. So simply what we can do is, after item, we can use the plus operator over here followed by the number 10. So guys, what exactly is happening over here is the item variable will first get the value 11, and this particular expression, that is item plus 10, will make the value as 21 over here, and so on. The other elements will be also accessed, and 10 will be added to all those items. So let us check the output of this now. Let me just save this file and try running this code once again over here on the terminal. So now as you can see, we are getting 21, 22, 23, 24, and then again we are getting 21. That's because the first and the last elements are same over here. So guys, in this way we have completed the second task as well. Now we need to create a set and add all the elements to this particular set inside the forEach loop. So guys, what exactly we have to do is, all these elements that we have printed over here, we need to include them in a set. So let us complete this task as well. We have to make certain changes over here. Instead of having one line of code now, we are going to have multiple lines of code. So we are going to define the open and close curly braces over here. And then guys, before this forEach loop, let me just define the set as well. So we provide set1, it is equal to new operator followed by the set object over here. So we have defined an empty set in this case. So now what we will do is we will update this item. So simply we will use item on the left hand side. It is equal to item plus 10. That's because this is the number that must be present inside the set as we had printed previously on the console. Now guys, we have the updated number inside this particular item. So what we can do is simply we will use the add function for this particular set object. So we have set1 followed by dot, and then we have the add method which appends a new element with a specified value to the end of the set. So guys, what we will do is over here we will add the item inside this particular set object. So this line of code inside the forEach method will help us in order to add all the elements to the set inside the forEach loop. Now guys, we want to add two more numbers in a set using the add method. So what we will do is, after the forEach loop, again we will have the set1 followed by dot, and then we have the add method over here, and let's say we want to add 31 this time, and then once again we want to add 32 this time. So basically we have added two extra numbers over here inside the set apart from all these numbers that were already printed. Now guys, remember that inside the array we have the duplicate numbers which were printed as 21 over here, but when we are going to print the set, we will have the occurrence of 21 only once. So we will check that as well. So as you can see, this is the fifth task over here. We need to print all the numbers in this set now. So simply what we will do is, over here we will have the console.log statement, and then we will provide the set1 object this time. Let me just save this file now and try running this code once again over here on the terminal. So as you can see, we have 21, 22, 23, 24. So all these numbers are coming from this particular array 11, 12, 13 and 14, to which we had added 10 over here. So we have 21 to 24, and then again for this number 11, 10 was added, which resulted into 21, which is not added again, since inside set we can only have the unique numbers. So guys, over here we have 21 to 24, and then the other two numbers, that is 31 and 32, that were added are present after 24 over here. So we have 31 and 32. So basically this 11 number, which was a duplicate number inside array, which is allowed inside the array object, will not be allowed inside the set object over here, and that is how the set object works in JavaScript. So guys, now we have successfully completed all the tasks over here, and that means we have successfully completed this particular exercise on the arrays and set. So comment in the comment section below whether you have learned something out of this video. Please make sure that you like this video so that it reaches to more people, and subscribe to the channel so that you get the notifications on upcoming videos as well. I'll see you in the next video, in which we are going to talk about map in JavaScript. So stay tuned.